Huwag niyo po kaming alalahanin mga kababayan. Okay po ako. They can try to remove me, they can kill me, but they will not kill the idea of a democratic Philippines led not by men, but by laws, led by the Philippine Constitution. Kung sabi niyo po at natatawa yung iba that the Senate is under attack, 2023 pa lang ho, yung PI, gusto pong amendahan yung Constitution. After magsalita si Senator Amy, wala daw katotohanan yon. Ngayon po, binasura ang Constitution. Ano ba tingin yung kasunod nito? So mga kababayan, again, God is sovereign. Let's all reflect on this and pray. But tomorrow, tuloy ang hearing ng Blue Ribbon Committee. I am still the legitimate, legal, moral Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. There is still functioning committees. We have to hear the testimonies. Invited po, pati po yung mga gumawa ng illegal ngayon. You can try to stop us, but you will be stopping the Filipino people. So sa ating mga kababayan who wants to pray or have a prayer vigil sa Senado bukas, pumunta po kayo.